At this point, we have three special unannounced awards, and may we call on Pastor Raymond to explain them.
Okay, we have three surprise awards for this year. The first two are medals from our Mayor, Lenden Alonte. One will be given to the kindergarten level. It is a leadership award, meaning to say a pupil which did not, which was able to make it to the gold medal, but is the leader in their batch. So for today, we would like to award the leadership medal Okay, ito pong medal na ito ay galing po sa ating Mayora, representing the city of Biñan. Okay, to be awarded to one of the kindergarten pupils, wala pong iba, kundi si Cedric Setnio. Can I call on the parents to please give the award to their child? Isang malakas mong palakpak. Congratulations, Cedric. And another medal to be given to the preparatory level. This is an academic excellence award coming from the city of Biñan Mayor, Lenden Alonte. This is given to our gold medalist, none other than Daniela Carril Cervantes. Can I call the parents to please give the award to their child? Sa malakas po palakpak, mga minamahal. Okay, hindi po tayo tapos sa ating unannounced special awards. Alam niyo po, ito po yung pinakamahirap na award sa lahat. Itong aking ibibigay ngayon, no? Dahil ito po ay bibigyan ibigay. Sa ating 12 taon po bilang paaralan, pang-5 lang po ito sa mga ibinibigay natin. At ito po ay given to the honor of Tatay Filimon, na siya po isa sa mga prime movers ng ating paaralan. Recently namatay po yung kanyang asawa, so we renamed the award to Tatay Filimon and Nanay Asyang Most Distinguished Pupil Award. Kaya naman po, nais ko rin sabihin na itong ating plaque ngayon or itong ating award na certificate is temporary lang. Dahil po kami sa deliberation, we will give yung pong plaque. Ihahanda lang po natin personally sa kanilang mga magulang. However, before awarding, let me first read the award. The Jesus First Christian School Incorporated and Kui family award with great pleasure the Tatay Filimon and Nanay Asyang Most Distinguished Pupil Award to this 30th day of March 2012 in the year of our Lord. This is being given to a graduating student in recognition of his or her overall performance, particularly his/her academic excellence and personal life discipline. Signed, Pastor Raymond P. Manahas, Administrator. And the recipient of this award for this year, only the 5th awardee in the entire history of JFCSI. This is given to Daniela Carril B. Cervantes. Palakpakan po natin si Daniela. Can I call on the parents, please? Patience, Danela, at si Mami. God bless you all.